Jamaica, yo. So why did coronavirus start in China and not America, England, or Jamaica, or somewhere else? First, let's go back to the masters who you let dominate you, the 13 bloodlines. One of these bloodlines, the Lee family, if I'm not incorrect, controls the Asian nations. And when we say incorrect, I mean the name of the family. But you have one of them who control the Asian nations. As with the Astor family who control the English-speaking Western nations. All these are just factions of one head, the Illuminati 13 bloodlines. The bankers who control the financial and monetary system. Now when you look at China, it's like a farm that produces all the products or produce needed by the rest of the world. So it's a hub where everything becomes connected or connects from. This is where globalization comes in. All the countries produce a percentage of what will create the final product, and its assembly is mainly in China. This was all planned by your masters. Language may be a barrier for you, but for them, it's nothing. So they all can communicate with each other when ready. Have you ever wondered why some movies get shown in other countries before them even launch in America? Or why there's a premiere of that movie before it's released to the public? Because there are people who are invited to these premiere to be updated on the next stage of the plan. And these movies are shown in other countries to relay a small message to the elites and the puppets of those nations to commence the next phase. So again, back to China being the hub of the world. Remember, there were many talks in the media that China will be the dominant country with the best economy that will surpass America and everywhere else. Yeah, all a little mind jiggle. The preparation was started from that point to collapse the system. The system was built to get you addicted, then stripped from under your foot, leaving you beaten and hopeless. That's how them are gonna get you. This system will be replaced by the final system under the Antichrist, a so-called brief technological era of false peace that will be short-lived for all those under it, even the Antichrist. Now, China was attacked, so the economy could destabilize for the cashless system to take its place. At this moment, everything is being affected. Stock markets, businesses, the food markets, everything. Now, if everyone globally depends on China for all their goods, ties, clothes, and many other things, and because of the coronavirus or COVID-19, all exports and imports have stopped. No one wants to deal with that country. Then you have a system that is slowly breaking apart. If America or any other country was in China's shoes at this moment, what would happen? Nothing exactly, because no one depends on those other countries for stock like they do with China. So you have the attack, you have to attack the roots to kill the tree, which is this monetary system. And along with attacking the roots of this system, the coronavirus is playing a double standard. One, to wipe out human beings while crashing the system with you along with it, who know nothing else. But even though you don't understand anything else, you still living it. Now, what's happening also is that the food and certain items have become scarce over a short period. The rich buying the bulk of it all while the poor run around to see what they can get. Now, what you will have happening is people keeping back certain items which will be priced higher than normal until they won't sell anymore, but keep it to sustain themselves and families. This will cause chaos, and the government will step in with its solution. Needs. You see, there's always an agenda, and nothing just happen. Nothing just happen for just happen. This is all being done to corner the human beings like rats, where they'll just line up like slaves to accept the solution of the private sector who control the government. Corona will go away because they'll kill it. Then when you least expect it, it will resurface again. At this point, many things will be out of the system. So, and basically, all of the things them what you need to protect yourself are going to be outside of the system. So you're not going to have nothing at them point there to help or protect you when you know nothing about your life already, when this thing resurfaces. So, it best, if you're not going to start do some research before certain things get closed off to you.